Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been walking and earning sweat coins, you are probably wondering, how do I actually turn these sweat coins into real cash on PayPal? Well, in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how it works step by step and what you need to know before you withdraw. And for now, let's jump right in. Step 1. Understanding sweat coin earnings. First, a quick reminder, Sweatcoin itself doesn't directly let you transfer coins into PayPal Cash. Instead, you earn Sweatcoins by walking, and those coins can be used in offers, auctions, or PayPal gift deals available inside the app. The key is finding the PayPal or Cash Rewards section in the Sweatcoin marketplace. Step 2. Look for PayPal offers. Open your Sweatcoin app, go to the Marketplace tab, and scroll through the current offers. Occasionally, Sweatcoin partners with brands to give out PayPal Cash or gift cards in exchange for your Sweatcoins. These deals are limited, so if you do not see one right now, check back daily or keep notifications on for cash rewards or PayPal deals. Step 3. Redeem and receive. When you find a PayPal offer, tap redeem and follow the on-screen instructions, and you will usually need to enter your PayPal email address, and within a few business days the funds will appear in your PayPal balance. Make sure your PayPal account is verified and active, otherwise the payment might fail. Step 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are a few quick tips. You cannot directly convert Sweatcoins into PayPal money without an official offer. Avoid third-party websites or Telegram groups claiming they can exchange your Sweatcoins. They are often scams. And remember, only use official Sweatcoin partners or in-app rewards. And that is it. That's how you can withdraw your Sweatcoin money to PayPal in 2025. And I hope it was useful to you all, guys. And for more tutorials, please join us and subscribe, and goodbye.